In this video, I'll show you how to use Otter AI with Zoom in 2026. First, sign into your Otter AI account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete the setup process. Next, connect your Zoom account to Otter AI if prompted. Follow the instructions on the screen and authorize the connection between the two platforms. After that, schedule a Zoom meeting or join an existing one. Make sure you're signed into the Zoom account connected to Otter AI. Now, when it's time for the meeting, Otter AI may automatically join the Zoom session as a meeting assistant. If prompted, allow Otter AI to join and start capturing the conversation. Next, follow any instructions provided by Otter AI. Depending on your settings, it may automatically begin recording and transcribing the meeting. After that, continue with your Zoom meeting as normal while Otter AI generates a live transcript in the background. Once the meeting ends, return to your Otter AI dashboard. You'll find the transcript, meeting summary, notes, and key action items created from the conversation. Finally, review the transcript, make any edits if needed, and share or download the meeting notes for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Otter AI with Zoom in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.